Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by Warrantywise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151. Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic Ford Kuga Automatic for a little test drive. On this model, titanium, to start the engine you put your foot on the brake, press the Ford power button there, car fires up very nicely, slip it into drive, and away we go. So we do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there. Gearbox feels nice and smooth, as it should be. Suspension is riding the bumps with ease. The brakes feel spot on. Steering feels great, so the car is driving fantastically as it should. Slow down for the horse. There we go. Great visibility in this car, with it being an SUV, being that bit higher up, so good visibility all round, easy to get in and out of. So really practical, spacious, plenty of boot space. Ford always design their cars around the driver, with the driver in mind, so it drives superbly. Really nice car to drive. You've got fantastic specification on the titanium model, so you've got these comfy half leather seats. You've got DAB radio, as well as FM and AM on the multimedia system. You've got a CD player, Bluetooth for your mobile phone, hands-free, and audio streaming. You can also connect external devices as well, so really good multimedia system. Got dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have it at a different temperature to the driver should they wish. I'm going to catch this horse up again, aren't I? So I'll just slow down a bit. Lovely leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, all the controls at your fingertips. Automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, heated front windscreen, fantastic at this time of year. Take this horse again. There we are. Plenty of power, really good acceleration. In fact, this car's got this is the 160 PS version of the engine, so really powerful, really responsive. Here we are back at High Auto, so I hope that has been useful for you. Thank you for watching. You take care, and bye for now.